Guys, this is the last night and we're flying on the next day niyan. So we had a dinner kasama yung ibang kabayan, guys. Fortunately, magka-flight din kami on the next day. So we had really a sumptuous dinner. One of the local restaurants na fish and can restaurant. Parang recommended to ng tour guide namin. So amazing. Again, guys, yung meat nila. I think I can sum up mostly ang nakain ko sa Baco, puro beef. Nung nag-hotel kami, at least may chicken. But mostly, guys, beef. Yung doner doon, ang sarap. As in. O diba may paandar yung food nila, guys? Ma-amaze ka. Tapos, rice pala yan. And then, with all the servings. O, diba? Tingnan nyo. O, ginawa niyang ganyan. Tapos, siya talaga ang guys, maghihiwa. Ilan ba kaming kumain yan? O, siya ganon. Tapos, guys, hihiwain niya. Isa-isa bigyan. O, yan. Okay na. Tapos isa-isahin niyang lagyan yung table namin. Ay, table naman, plate. Yun. Tapos yun, after niya life is better with bubbles. Nag-bubble tea kami. Gusto ni Jam, sabi niya libre mo ako. Sige, we try it. Pero parang pa-close na talaga. Guys, yung establishment nila not like Dubai na 10, 11, 12 hanggang yung iba 24 hours. Doon I think 10 p.m. ata. As in like pa kami guys, picture tapos sabi ng server, "Excuse me, we are closing in 5 minutes." Ayon. Human tikaan nang gawas namin oy. Kay naunsa na. Ay sorry, nagbisaya. Saya mata diri day. So yan, lakad-lakad. Kalakaw-lakaw na wala gini kapalitan na ilang mga duwaan. But it's really nice there, you know. Parang kanindot naman lang good one. It's nice there. Guys, I really wonder why it's Wednesday and people just like that until 11 ata, until 12. Guys, naglakad-lakad lang talaga mga tao doon, chill. I guess yung mga tao doon is all tourists. Mostly that maximize their time, and iba naman locals, not sure. Kay mga establishment, pharmacy is closing. Pharmacy close nila I think 10, something like that, kasi gusto ko sana bumili ng melatonin doon, something if meron silang melatonin, I'll just for a try. But unfortunately, nag-close na. Late ko nang naisip. That's just near our hotel, guys. Like, really 1 minute away. And then, this is their peryahan. Umabot kami doon. Sumakay kami ng taxi para mas mabilis. Kasi yung mga friend ko, guys, hindi sila katulad ko na lumalaban sa lakaran, sa walkathon. But, we discovered na sobrang lapit lang pala talaga. We paid We paid 5 manat. Diyan naman natuwa kami. Bumili ako ng 3 tickets. 3 or 2? 2 tickets, ganyan. Galing ni Jam. Halos lahat na niya. I think we have parang 10 dapat. Parang sa kanya, guys, nag-9. Tapos di man talaga na bigyan ng kahit ng consolation. Ako naman, guys, parang isa. Hindi ko alam I did not, sensor pala siya. Una-una, magugugod. Sensor pala. But not bad for 6 dirhams or 7. Kasi sa Global Village, 12 eh. Just for a try, guys. For an experience lang. Diba si Jam nag-enjoy. Galing niya, sharpshooter. Basta I think out of 10, 9 ato sa kanya. Tapos sabi po namin, please, you give us a toy, even a small. Ayaw nila. So yan guys, yan ang inantay namin. One of the na sabi ko wag matulog kasi nga yan, that's the flame tower. Sa evening, ang ganda niya guys. Meron siyang pa-show. So yun lang, sabi ko, since andito naman tayo and we have few hours left, matulog tayo ng mga kahit 12, ganun. Is na lang, kahit gaano kapagod, sulitin na makita man lang tong flame tower pag gabi. And bonus pa guys na marunong na pala akong mag scooter. Gusto ko na tuloy bumili ng scooter. Ang bilis lang pala, at least natuto ko mag scooter for first time ever. Sumakay, nagtry ako mag scooter. Kasi sa Dubai wala man akong friend na may scooter. Tapos medyo busy ang road. Wala namang ganito, or I'm not sure. Hindi ko lang siguro na-try yung mga parentahan na scooter, ganyan. But yan guys, natuwa kami for 30 minutes. We rented 30 minutes. Magkano ba yun? Kalimutan ko na. 15 man na? Ganon. Oh, that's my friend si Jam. Ang bagal eh. Basta ako natuwa ko guys. Mabagal, mabilis, lahat na. Hindi ba guys nakita nyo? Kung makita nyo yung background, yung mga banners, sobrang lakas ng hangin, di ba? Ano kasi kami, tawag nun? Caspian Sea. Yun pala ang tawag nila guys, Caspian Sea. Yung opposite pala nun, Kazakhstan na. Pag morning, tanaw mo yung Kazakhstan. Yun, as one of the, yung ko ba na sa isang vlogger. Kaso gabi yan sa may boulevard nila tawag. We really enjoyed. Wala lang yan guys, relaxing na lang yan. Nakita namin ang flame tower, nakapunta kami sa boulevard. Kasi that's the best thing we can do in the evening. Tapos na kami sa city, nakapag-dinner na kami. So yun na lang guys, until siguro we stayed there until like 11 p.m. Tapos naglakad na kami pa uwi. Yan, balik na kami sa hotel namin. See, close na ang establishment nila guys. Ay, man. Yan ang flame tower ulit. It's my friend Jam. Yan ang show sa flame tower. That is their flag and the people. This is really nice, even like after 2 weeks, namimiss ko pa rin. Charot! Arte-arte. Sarap pala mag-travel, guys. Kaso, kailangan mo kumayod. This is my first travel na yung ako nag-arrange, yung mga ganun. So, I didn't mind, kung may about sa gastos. Kahit pa paano we tried mura, we tried mahal. O diba, may pa-vlogger ako dyan, charot. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Kasi nga guys, yung background ko niyan, yan daw ang Caspian Sea. Like super duper, super duper mahangin. But really, I hope for more travels. That is their subway. Oh my God, ang ganda. Parang ganda ng subway nila. Even their subway, guys, is full of artistry. And then, that's some of the establishment on the way back to the hotel. And then, they are really into Turkish. Kasi pala yan, Azerbaijan is one of the Turkish countries. Tapos Russian. Basta, sarap sila doon, maganda and everything. Guys, you come, please put Azerbaijan as part of your bucket list. Hindi pa nakapunta doon. And then Baku. See guys, we're leaving na that day. Our pick-up time is 7 a.m. and we're going to the airport na. But to top it all, thank you, Lord. Thank you so much for this chance.